Good day to each and everyone kung saan man tayong part ng world. Sana kayo ay po ay okay and yes, today is August 7 of 2025 and it's already 7 a.m. in the morning here in UAE. And I would like to share this word reading today. So before anything else pala ito, I'm reading this one in the morning after I pray. So yun ang aking ginagawa early in the morning when I woke up. I pray and then I read, I self-talk. This is my daily routine in the morning. So meron ditong nabasa tayo na napakaganda. So sabi dito, before pointing fingers or judging others, look into the mirror, recognize your role in your actions and attitudes. Embrace accountability and you'll find that not only do your relationship improve, but you also grow into a more compassionate and self-aware individual. So, it is clearly stating here na parang stop judging others when you know the cause of your actions of being stubborn. So, napakalalim, no? Na dapat natin talakayin. So, sabi nga, stop judging other people kung alam natin yung mga actions natin, yung naging cause din nun. And this book, I highly recommend this one, How to Get From Where You Are, Where You Want to Be. The 25 Principles of Success by Jack Canfield. Napakaganda nito, no? May relate mo sa buhay mo at saka, oo nga pala, ganon. So again, sa daily lives natin, napaka-easy na matrap tayo dun sa pag-judge ng other people. Sometimes, mahilig tayo yung nagpo-point ng fingers or tinuturo natin, kinikriticize natin or nagme-make assumptions tayo na actually, kasalanan yung tao na yun. Pero hindi natin muna iniintindi kung ano yung situation. However, there's a very powerful reminder na nakakalimutan natin. So, before tayo mag-judge ng kapwa natin, tingnan muna natin yung sarili natin. And, kung ano yung mga actions natin, yung stubbornness natin, or mistakes natin, para maging reason ito, behind para tayo ay mag-judge ng ating kapwa. So siguro I can share na as a human nature or as a person, meron tayong kaisipan na ginajudge natin agad yung tao, especially when you face those challenges na conflicts. But true growth begins with self-awareness. If we acknowledge na talaga medyo tumigas yung ulo natin or naging stubborn tayo or mistakes contributed sa naging cause ng problem na yon. And we become more compassionate, not just with others but also with ourselves. So kailangan before tayong mag-react sa mga or mag-point ng finger sa ating kapwa, tanungin natin yung sarili natin. Saang parte ng buhay natin or saang part ng decision na yun na nag-cause ng conflicts na yun or ng problema na yun. Okay? So, why judging others is unproductive? Pag ginajudge natin yung kapwa natin. Judging others without self-awareness can lead misunderstandings, damage ng relationship kung kayo ay couple o mag-asawa, magjowa, magkaibigan, pamilya, and lack of personal growth ang nangyayari dito. It often severs a distraction from our own faults. Ayan, pag nag-focus kasi tayo sa mga shortcomings natin, nalililject natin yung opportunity na mag-reflect sa sarili nating behavior and how to improve it. So, kailangan maging accountable din tayo sa mga actions natin. So, taking responsibility of our actions and recognizing how our stubbornness or mistakes influence our lives empowers us. So, inaalaw nito yung change for a better, mas magandang relasyon, nagpo-foster ng humility, and also tandaan natin, yung change nag-starts yan from us. Yan. So, kailangan magsimula muna sa atin. We are not going to ask a person to change kung ano yung gusto natin. Kasi, as a human being, negative yung dating sa atin pagka hindi na nangyayari yung mga gusto nating mangyari. Diba? Yung hindi naging ganun ng outcome. So, we start blaming other people or the decisions of other people. Well, in fact, na tayo dapat ang maging responsible, no, sa ating mga actions. And eto, kailangan mong i-call for a compassion and self-reflection instead of quick judgment natin sa kapwa natin. Practice self-reflection. I-ask mo yung sarili mo. Ganito ginagawa ko every early in the morning, nag-self-talk ako. Kinakausap ko yung sarili ko. Like, am I contributing to this problem? Is my stubbornness affecting my decision? So, yung pagiging matigas ba yung ng ulo ko nagkukos ng mas malaking problema? When we do yung pag-self-talk natin, we cultivate empathy and understanding. Yan, making us less likely to judge or maging harsh tayo sa kapwa natin. So, meron nga tayong na-receive, no? Nitong nakaraang araw kasi daw, pinagsasabihan daw siya ng kanyang kapwa na, sinasabihan siya na, or napopost siya sa social media. So, parang na-encounter ko din to. So, na-relay lang natin. So, binibigyan lang natin ng kasagutan. Sabi niya, tinatanong daw siya, nakakatulog ka pa ba sa gabi? Alam mo ba yung mga ginagawa mo sa kapwa mo? So, mga ganon yung tanong sa kanya. So, medyo na-hurt yung ating kababayan doon sa mga salita na yun, which actually nag-cause ng big problem. Naging masyado siyang emotional, inas niya yung sarili niya. Baka nga naman may nagawa siyang mali, no? Ang tanong dyan is, ang sagot siguro dyan, ako ang may sasagot ko siguro dyan yung yun nga, huwag tayong maghusga ng kapwa natin kung alam natin na in some way, naging dahilan tayo or yung mga katigasan natin ng ulo, siguro mas mainam na harapin natin ang sarili natin at ang tunay na dahilan ng kung bakit naging ganon yung sitwasyon. So, it all boils out, it all go back to you kung kasi hindi mo i-ask yung question na yun kung hindi ka naging satisfied dun sa naging resulta. So, we need to ask ourselves. So, yun nga. So, again, I personally believe na we cannot judge a person kung ano lang yung mga naririnig natin. So, mas maganda na alamin natin kung ano yung punot dulo or tanungin din natin yung sarili natin. Kasi I practice this to myself. I keep on asking myself, baka kasalanan ko? And at the end of the day, ang lagi ko nalang iniisip na, oh yes, it's my fault because pwedeng sabihin na, nag-yes kasi ako, in-entertain ko yung kanilang mga hinaing, so mga ganon. It all boils down to your path, sabi nga nila. So, I highly recommend that you read this one, How to Get From Where You Are to Where You Want to Be, the 25 Principles of Success by Jack Canfield, and it really helps a lot. So, hanggang dun lamang po, and once again, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So, I am B, and you can follow me on my socials. Bye!